Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you the newest tool in the XPression MOS workflow, the HTML5 MOS Plug-in. I'm working in Inception News and I'm doing a story for my newscast tonight, and it's a top story about a fire and a house fire. I'm going to go ahead up to my toolbar. I'm going to choose my MOS devices. I'm going to find XPression, and that'll open up my HTML5 version of the XPression plugin. Now I want you to notice I'm working in Chrome. I'm not working in Internet Explorer. And yes, this does work cross-platform, meaning I can use this in an Apple workflow. I'm going to go ahead to my graphics tools, and I'm going to choose OTS because I need an OTS graphic. And I double click on it. That puts me into the edit mode. And what you see now is I have this graphic here that's ready to go, and I just need to put some content into it. And I'm doing a story about a house fire, so I'm going to change the title here to House Fire. And I don't want the subtitle, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just going to blank it out. And that's going to redraw my preview. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to replace that headshot placeholder with a graphic that kind of fits the story a little better. Again, I'm talking about a house fire. So I'm going to go to Open MAM, and I'm going to select my Streamline tools. And I want to make this a pop-out window so I can see both my XPression and my MAM. So I'm going to let that open up here for a second, and I will see it draw. And while that's happening, I'm going to come back here and go back to Edit mode, and I'm going to recover my Streamline window. And I've got a graphic here for a house fire, which is perfect. I'm just going to click and drag, and I'm going to drop it into my template. And you can see right there is my new preview. And this is perfect. I want to take this and I want to add this to my story. So I literally click the Add to Story button, and you'll see that it popped up right away inside my script. And it's saved and ready to go and be published for my rundown.